Hi everyone, welcome into Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to upload a file using Cypress. This is a very common scenario in web application and I will show you step by step how to automate it using a simple and easy approach. So let's begin. Rename this file, right click, rename and rename this file upload underscore file. Now open the Chrome browser and here you can view. We need to click on this choose file option. Then we can upload the file. After you choose the file, we need to click on the upload button. Open the Cypress website and click on commands. Scroll down and here you can view select file. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the select. Select basically used for selecting the value from the drop down. You can select the value by index and text. There are two options for selecting the options from the drop down. You can select by value or you can select by visible text. Click on select file. Select a file or files in an HTML5 input elements. So you can select one file as well. You can select the multiple files in Cypress. For selecting the file, these are the syntax dot select file. If you want to select only one file, then you need to enter the syntax dot select file and then enter the path of the file dot select file. And here you if you want to select multiple files, so you need to enter dot select file file one location and then enter the second file location. Now remove this is our upload file example. So here change the test case name upload file in Cypress. Now change the URL here, copy this URL and paste here. First navigate to the URL. After navigating to the URL, we need to locate this element which is choose file. Right click here, inspect, and here you can view ID is available as well, name also available. We can locate by ID, copy this ID, open VS Code, sci dot get. For locating the element by ID, we need to enter hash here and then enter the ID for choose file option. After locating the ID, we need to select the file. Select file and then enter the location of the file. Here we need to enter the location of the file. Open the screenshot, right click here, properties, right click here and then click on properties. This is the complete location of this file and this is the file name login and then enter the type of file. This is the PNG file, so we need to enter the format as well here. Make sure enter backslash here, backslash and then enter the file name which is login.png. Save the test file. Now we can run the test by using npx Cypress open. In this scenario, we are only selecting one file. After this, I will show you how we can select the multiple files in Cypress. Cypress is opening. Click on Configure and then select a browser. For selecting the browser, we need to select our test file, which is upload underscore file. Scroll down here, upload underscore file. Click on this. First, it will navigate to the URL and then select the file. Navigate to the URL. As you can view, a file has been uploaded successfully. Now, I will show you how to upload the multiple files here. Open VS Code and enter the bracket here. Same as well, we need to enter the bracket here after double quote. Now, enter the path for the second file. Right click, sign up properties, and this is the complete path for the second file. Open VS Code, enter the path here. Make sure enter the double backslash there in the path. Same as well, we need to enter the backslash here. After the path, we need to enter the file name, and the file name is signup.png. PNG is the file type. We can run code test. In this scenario, two files will be uploaded. Save the test file. As you can view, two files have been successfully uploaded. After uploading this file, we need to click on this upload button. File upload. First, locate this element, right click here, inspect, and ID is file dash sub. Here we need to enter site.get, comma, hash, and then ID. Dot click. Save the test file and run the again test on see what will happen. Profiles uploaded successfully. That's our for today tutorial on uploading file. I hope you understand how to upload a file using Cypress. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to SQ World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.